Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon.
Good afternoon.
आवाज क्यों नहीं आ रही है उनकी?
Yes. Now let us start with the class. Okay. I hope my voice.
Good afternoon, sir.
I hope my voice is audible. The board is clear.
Yes, sir. Your voice is coming.
Yes, sir. Audible.
Sir. Good afternoon, sir. How are you present?
Request you all to please.
Your voice is coming lightly.
I request you all to keep your mics off.
What, sir?
Keep your mics off. Wait, let me do it. See, I have turned off all the mics. Okay. So, and now if you try to turn on your mics, you will not be able to do it. So, why I have done this? You see, I will allow you to unmute yourself. Right now, you all are muted. I will give you the permission to unmute yourself, but you have to make a promise that you will unmute yourself only when I ask you a question. To answer that question, you can unmute yourself, and after answering the question, you can quickly mute again. Okay. After answering the question, you can quickly mute again. So this is because if you all sometimes you are small kids, you turn on your mics and then you forget that you have turned on your mic, it creates disturbance in the class. So that is why. Okay. And one more time, you can unmute yourself. That is when you have questions, you have problems, you can ask your problems, unmute yourself, ask your problem, and then again mute yourself. And keep this in mind that when you are asking your problems, I have to complete a particular topic. Let me finish explaining the topic. After that, I have finished. After that, you are allowed to ask your questions. Okay. Otherwise, it creates, because this is online class, it will create a lot of disturbance. So to run the classes smoothly, it is for you all only. Okay. This will be helpful for you all. So right now, I'm giving you the permission to unmute yourself, but don't misuse it. Okay. You all are very good students. I know this class is a very good class. So I'm giving you the permission. Yeah. So is it clear to all of you? Just quickly unmute and tell me, is it clear? And then
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
very good.
Yes, sir.
So yeah. So we have completed the chapter fractions in our last class.
Sir, your voice is not clear.
Beta, two suggestions I give you. First, if you are not able to hear me properly, use a headphone. There must be a network issue. So
Okay, sir.
use a headphone. You will be able to hear properly. Okay. Use headphones and low volume.
Okay, sir.
Volume.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
And now we have completed the chapter fractions. Let me ask you all that, is there any problem from the whole chapter?
No, sir.
which topics we have done, we have covered in this.
No, sir. No, sir. No problem. No, sir. No problem. No problem, sir.
Just tell
No,
me
sir, no
how
problem.
many times you all just revise that the topics that you did in this chapter. Equivalent fractions. You all have done equivalent fractions. Second thing is writing a fraction in lowest term, reducing a fraction in its lowest terms. Third thing that you have done is like and unlike fractions. Then proper and improper fractions. Then converting an improper fraction to a mixed fraction, and vice versa, that is opposite of this, converting an improper fraction into a mixed fraction, and converting a mixed fraction into an improper. Both the things you have done.
Sir, I
And
have a doubt.
last exercise of the chapter, you have learned how to multiply a fraction and a whole number. Okay, so all these things you have done in the chapter. Now, please tell me, is there any problem? Anyone facing any problem?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, please ask. I'm there to help you.
Sir, that we have done the last exercise.
Yes, we have done the last.
Okay, sir.
Sir, but in my copy, last exercise, B part is not done, and I think that B part we have not done.
Yes, sir.
We have not done the B
Sir, in
part.
my also.
Okay, don't worry, we will do it.
Not done the B part.
Don't worry, we will do it. Okay. First of all, tell me whatever we have done from this chapter till now. Any problem from that?
No, sir.
No problem.
sir.
No, sir. Which chapter?
No problem.
No, sir.
That's-
No, sir. No problem. No, sir. No problem. Yes, sir. Me too.
No problems. I will be giving you some extra questions for this. And one more thing, please keep this in mind that keep muting yourself after speaking. Mute yourself. Don't forget to mute yourself. Unnati Gangwar, beta, mute yourself. Rishit, mute yourself. Very good. Now, I can see some students are joined with different names which are not of their own. That means someone has joined with SRI number. So please join the meeting with your own names. In the Zoom settings,
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
you
Sir,
can provide
it's
an
me. Sir, it's
please join the meeting with your own name.
sir, it's the ID. Sir, tomorrow. What, sir?
No problem.
Sir.
For today it's okay, but from tomorrow, please join the meeting with your own names. Now, I will be giving you, because you all don't have any problem in any of the topics, I will be giving you some questions for practice. Okay. These are extra questions.
Sir, I will change this. Okay, sir.
Sir, we have to do in notebook.
Yes, in your pair notebook.
Sir, we have to do in notebook.
Yes, beta, you have to do it in your pair notebook.
Sir, I want to ask this.
Yes.
Sir, I want to ask that in fraction exercise 8.2 we have not.
Fractions exercise 8.2 we have not completed. We will complete it afterwards. First, we are doing some extra questions based on the first exercise. So we will complete the second exercise after.
So, sir, I will start.
Yes, you
So,
can.
sir, I will start after.
Don't leave any space. You can start from
Okay,
there.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, we have done exercise 8.2.
Beta, one part is left of that exercise. One question. So these are the extra questions. First, I'm giving you some fractions. You have to write question number one. Extra question number one. Note down these questions in your copies. Question number one is,
Sir, your voice is not clear. I am using headphones.
Beta, there must be some network issue. Others, are you able to hear me properly?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes,
sir, I am hearing.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can hear you.
Sir, now I am also.
Okay, so there must be some network problem. Most of you are listening properly. There is no problem from my end. There must be some network issue. So wait for the. Sometimes it happens like this. Okay, so you can either search for a place where the network is good. Okay. Yeah. So the question is, reduce the following fractions. Reduce the following fractions to the lowest term. Reduce the following fraction to the lowest term.
Sir, your video is not visible.
With a network issue, again, there is no problem in the video. There must be a network issue.
Okay, sir.
Reduce the following fraction to the lowest term. First part. You all know how to do this. 52.65 first. Second part. $72 on 48. Third. 108 upon 81. Fourth.
Sir, please wait for 1 minute.
Yes, beta.
Sir, please wait for 1 minute.
Yeah, note down the questions first. You can do them later. First, only you have to note down the questions only.
Okay, sir.
49 upon 63. Start. 66 upon 1
Sir, please wait. I am bringing a new copy.
and the 6.
Sir, it is not showing your screen.
Beta, there must be a network issue at your end. Must be a network issue at your end. Always.
Gulshan Sharma, please mute your mic. Sir, what is the fourth question? 49 upon?
Fourth one is 49 upon 63. 49
Okay, sir.
Sir, can you say something so you could be on the main screen?
Sorry? What happened,
Sir,
beta?
can you speak something loudly so that could be you should on main screen so I can see the questions?
Beta, you double tap on the screen. You will see me on your full screen only. When you are seeing me properly, you double tap on my screen. Okay, that means you have pinned.
Yes, sir.
my screen.
I know.
Okay, got it? Double tap on the screen. And keep your, if you are using a phone, you can keep your phone in landscape mode. Landscape mode, matlab you have to keep your phone like this, horizontally. You will see me on screen. Okay, don't keep your phone like this vertically. Don't keep it like this. Keep it horizontally. Like this. Got it?
Sir, please send the image of questions on WhatsApp.
Sorry?
Sir,
Please
please send
send-
the picture of questions on WhatsApp.
Beta, it must be visible here properly. Any problem in this?
Sir, it is not visible.
No, sir, no problem. Karanji, double tap on the screen.
Double tap on the screen. You will see me on your full screen. Double tap.
Sir,
Okay.
written the questions.
That you have given, so sir, we have to find its lowest form,
Yes, yes.
lowest term.
You have
Okay, sir.
the fraction in lowest terms.
Okay.
Sir,
Okay,
can
sir.
we start writing the answers?
Yes, you can start writing the answers. Start solving these questions.
So we will do answers on next page.
From the same page, you can start doing the answers.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Yes.
sir, we have to do these questions later.
Right now, you have to do them. Right now.
Okay, sir. Sir, when you will check these answers?
Sir, please send the excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Hello?
Yeah, yes.
Hello, sir.
Batao beta.
Sir, please send the image of questions on WhatsApp.
Beta, I cannot send the images right now. Okay, you have to copy the question from the board only. Just see
Okay, sir.
how to do this. See, I'm explaining you how to do this. How to double tap on the screen and bring it to the full screen.
Sir, I know it.
You must be seeing
Sir,
a
I know
screen
it.
like this. Just see, this is my screen. You double tap on it. See, it is coming to full screen now. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If it is like this, one more time you can see this. Double tap, keep your phone horizontally first of all. And then if you're seeing me like this, you have to browse in your phone. You must be seeing me at the first position. See here. So my screen is here. Double tap on it and you can see me on full screen.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Sir, your voice is
Yeah,
not
but
clear.
I'm not saying anything. Okay. And if the voice is not clear, is voice is low, volume is low, then there must be a network problem at your end. Or you just try to use earphones, headphones. Ayushman beta, please mute your phone, mute yourself. Just tell me when you are done with the questions.
Okay, sir.
Sir, done.
Sir, done.
Very good.
Sir, done.
Very good.
Sir, done.
Okay, now done. Now everyone
No,
has done.
sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir. Wait for 5 minutes, sir, please.
Beta, you're taking a lot of time. I'm waiting for 1 more minute. Then we will discuss. Just 1 more minute.
Sir, I am on 6th.
Good.
Sir, my phone battery is very low. It is on 5%.
Okay. So class has approximately 10-12 minutes are left in the meeting.
Okay, sir, I am attending.
Yeah. You can keep your phone for charging also. Attending the class.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I am not able to divide in the second question.
You're not able to divide in the second question.
Yes, sir.
Which one? This
After
part?
dividing 7. Yes, sir.
No, sir, it's easy.
Yes, you tell me, beta, after dividing, what is the problem?
Sir, after dividing 72 by 16, it is coming 4.5.
Beta, you don't have to divide 72 by 16. Divide by the HCF of these two numbers.
Sir, my is correct or not? Please tell.
So what
So
is
the HCF is coming 16.
HCF is not 16.
No.
HCF will be
HCF is 20.
No. Sir, my it's another number.
wait, beta. I am the teacher here. Let me explain. If a student has doubt, mute yourself, all of you. Izan, beta, please have a look at this. The HCF of 72 and 48 is 24. 24 is the HCF. So you divide both the numerator and denominator by 24. You will get the answer.
Okay, sir.
Find the HCF first. There must be a mistake in the HCF. HCF is 24. Yes.
Sir, I have done like this.
Done. So let us now discuss all the questions, all the parts.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I have done like
Done.
sir this.
I know there is another way of doing it. Don't worry. You can use any of the methods. You can use any method. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I am doing with this method. I have told you this method.
Sir, I have done.
Very good. So first of all, find the HCF of 52 and 65. What is the HCF of 52 and 65? All of you. HCF of 52 and 65.
5.
13. 13.
13. 13.
So we will divide both the
13.
denominator by 13.
4 upon 5.
4 upon 5. 52 divided by 13 is 4 and 65 divided by 13 is 5. So the answer is 4 upon 5.
Sir, mine is correct.
Second one, the HCF of
Sir, 24. 24.
24 is the HCF. So you
Sir,
move the numbers.
3 upon 2.
72 divided by 24 is 3 and 48 divided by 24 is 2.
Sir, but I have done with another method.
Yes,
My answer is same, but I have done with another method.
very good, beta. That is also correct. Okay, I don't know which method you have used. I am telling you what you have done, Hargun. See, you have divided 72 and 48 by 2 first. Then after dividing by 2, you got 36 upon 24. Then again you divided by 2. You got 18 by 12, 18 upon 12. Then again you divided by 2. You got 9 upon 6. Then you divided by 3. You got 3 upon 2. Am I right, Hargun? This is what you have done?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Without looking into your copy, I told you what you have done.
92 upon 9.
9 is the HCF.
That is also correct.
9.
Sir, 9.
The HCF
92 upon 9.
is not 9, it is 27.
Sir, 27.
27 is the HCF.
4 upon 3.
Sir, 4 upon 3. 92 upon 9.
1 upon 27 is 3.
Sir, 4 upon 3. 4 upon 3. Sir, 4 upon 3.
Correct.
Sir, 4 upon 3.
So 4 upon
4 upon 3.
Yeah, correct. Mute yourself.
में तो कैसे बोला था ना मैं?
अबे हरगुन
4 upon 3. नहीं आएगी ये बात तो बंद कर रखा है. HCF of 4 is 7.
Mute yourself. Everyone, I've taken the names. Vipan, Shaurya, Abhay, Ayushman, Vedit, Hargun. Mute yourself. Yeah. 108 divided by 27 is 4 and 81 divided by 27 is 3. HCF क्या निकाला था आपने? HCF of 108 and 81 is 27. Anyone having any problem in finding the HCF? If you have a problem, you can tell me now. I will explain.
No, sir, I am not a problem.
No
problem.
No, sir.
No, sir, no problem.
Now the HCF of 48 and 63 is 7.
Sir, 7.
9, sorry. 49 and 63 is 7. The HCF is 7.
7 upon 9.
7 upon 9.
7 upon 9. 7 upon 9.
All right. Open page number 77.
7 upon 9.
11.
6 upon
11 upon
6 upon
11
11.
upon 11.
11 upon 11.
11.
6 upon 11.
Okay.
6 upon 11.
6 upon 11.
We are just doing the reading.
6 upon 11.
Very good.
All right. All right, children. Now let us start with the reading part. Aryan Chandra, are you there?
Please explain HCF.
Aryan Chandra, are you there?
Next one. Anyone any doubt?
5 upon 8.
Sir, 5 upon
12
8.
upon 12.
5 upon 8.
No,
sir, no. HCF is 4.
Acha, okay, wait for some time. Someone was having some
4
problem.
upon 4.
Any problem?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir, please explain HCF.
HCF, okay, very good. Let me do this one. Then I will explain what is HCF.
Yes, sir. HCF.
We'll explain what is HCF after this. Yeah, let me do the last one. The HCF of 60 and 96 is 12.
And read louder.
Sir, 12.
Dividing both
12.
the numerator and denominator by 12. 60
5 upon 8.
5 upon 8. 5 upon 8.
answer is
5 upon 8. 5 upon 8.
now let's
5 upon 8.
find the HCF. There was someone who was asking. Okay, don't worry. I will do it. 60 and 96. So I'm erasing all this. Only the last part I am going to find the HCF. This will give you a revision of.
All right. All right, Aryan, stop now. Fine, it's okay. But after the full stop, please pause yourself. Pause जरूर करा करो full stop के बाद. Now coming up to
क्या बात है? Otherwise, I
Ara, but Nagar, you don't have the book right now? Ara, you don't have the book? Okay, no problem.
yeah. So I have muted you all. And now you all will not be able to mute yourself. So please, when I ask you to mute yourself, please mute. And only unmute when you have a problem or you want to answer. Otherwise, keep your mics off. So otherwise I will have to do like this, what I have done now. You will not be able to mute yourself, unmute yourself now. So I have to find the HCF of 60 and 96. 60 and 96. So these are the numbers. First you find the factors of 60, prime factors of 60. 60 divided by 2 is 30. Then again 30 divided by 2 is 15. 15 divided by 3 is 5. And 5 divided by 5 is 1. So these are the prime factors of 60. Then you find the prime factors of 96. So prime factorization method we are using to find the HCF. There are other methods also. You can use any method to find HCF. Any method, कोई भी method use करके निकाल सकते हैं. 96 divided by 2 is 48. 48 divided by 2 is 24. 24 divided by 2 is 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And finally 3 divided by 3 is 1. These are the factors of 96, prime factors of 96. Now look for the common factors. Okay, let us look for the common factors. So first of all, let us write the factors of 60. All the factors of 60. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Factors of 60. Factors of 96. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 2. And 1 times 3. Common factors: 1 pair of 2, 2 pairs of 2, and 1 pair of 3. So HCF is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. Why? Because there is 1 pair of 2 which is common, another pair of 2 is common, and 1 pair of 3 is common. देखिए. Okay. So HCF is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. It is 12. This is how you can find HCF. The HCF of 60 and 96 is equal to 12. Now, after finding the HCF, you divide the numerator and denominator by the HCF. 12. Dividing by 12, you get 5 upon 8. Now, I'm giving you the permission again. Don't misuse it. One more time, I'm telling you. Now, tell me any problem in this.